Good morning everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Tuesday 21st of April and let's get right into the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, as you can see right here, we are bullish, bouncing from the weekly pivot and this order block high that we have right here previously, which was acting as resistance. Right now this level is acting as support. As you can see right here clearly, I did share on my X yesterday that I am expecting something like this to play out for Bitcoin. As you can see, potentially a triple bottom forming right here, which is as of right now playing out. But the question is, are we gonna get the last correction before we go up once again, or we just slowly grind ourselves towards the upside right here? Basically it could very well be one of those either scenarios, and the bearish scenario is going to be Bitcoin losing this level and getting back all the way down to the weekly S1, which is gonna be the value area high of this range that we have broken out of. But clearly right now I do believe price is still bullish, and even if we actually lose this value area high and go lower, we still got our monthly open to potentially hold us right here, correlating with the high volume node POC of the range, which is I believe is gonna be like happening potentially, but not this month. We still got 9 days and around 10 hours until the new monthly candle opens, and I do believe that potentially the phrase sell in May, walk away is going to be playing out if we do get a candle close for April, basically at those highs right here. We could very well push a bit higher through next month, but I do believe overall we're gonna see one more big dump towards the downside, which is exactly this scenario that happened right here after two bullish monthly candles, and I am expecting basically the same thing to happen. If we look at the dollar right now on the monthly time frame, you can see basically we are in a very tight consolidation. Same thing right here, you can see it clearly on the weekly. Currently right now we are trying to hold this support, but I do believe that potentially once we start breaking below this support, this is when Bitcoin is going to pump above 80k, and once we get down to this order block level that we have right here from this bottom, I do believe potentially we are gonna see something similar to the last time play out, where the dollar is gonna fake us out, trap everybody right here, and then it's gonna start reversing. And once it reverses right here, I do believe that Bitcoin is going to start dropping lower. Of course, this is gonna take some weeks to play out, I do believe. You can see on the weekly time frame, potentially you could say it's gonna take like 3 to 4 more weeks. But overall, this is how I believe we're gonna play out this particular range right here with the dollar correlation for Bitcoin. Basically, right now the targets do remain 86k or 82k are going to be my next targets. We are not that far away. Basically, 10 to 13% of a move is gonna take us there. Same thing for ETH, 2800 to 2600 are remaining the targets that I have. If we look at the open interest right now, still very flat, not much open interest coming to the market. So if we start pushing high right now, this is going to give us this nice signal that we want to see. Basically the move is gonna be healthy. If we start pushing higher without much open interest coming to the market, since you can see last time we started pumping right here and we did not have that much open interest coming, Bitcoin moved nicely, then open interest came in, price topped out, consolidated while open interest flushed out, you can see right here, and then we started pumping once again. And once again, once open interest came in at the top, basically longs at the top, this is where price tops out and starts consolidating again before the next leg up. We have been following this price action very closely. I have been following it, and I do believe this is how the next move is gonna play out. Of course, if you look at the liquidation heat map, you can see clearly that most of the liquidity after this pump has been piling up towards the upside, and I do believe that very soon we're gonna see Bitcoin trade above $80,000. Of course, we could go down and take out the liquidity below first, which is gonna be a very nice long opportunity, basically, in my opinion, if we hold the level. Of course, Fear and Greed index right now starting to push higher, trying to get back into that greed zone, currently at 56 in that neutral level. Spot ETFs, let's see if we got some data. We did actually get some data for yesterday. We got another 238 million of spot ETFs inflows, which is very nice to see, even though BlackRock has been the only ones buying it, but still very nice to see. Long versus shorts ratio for the day right now, we do have more buyers overall on the exchanges right here. Hyperliquid and Asta, the two dexes where the most of the bigger whales are trading, are currently sitting long, which is why I am expecting potentially a continuation. Let's see if we got any news for today. We actually did have Trump speaking. We got some data also coming out. It is already basically, it was like 1 hour ago. We do have tomorrow still some news which are not that important for Bitcoin, and the next major day is going to be Thursday, and also Friday is gonna be very important. And I do think that this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you want me to cover any altcoins, let me know in the comments, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.